This video reviews the activities that take place on the second day of the week. On day 2, students will play a board game using the mission mats and game cards included in your starter set. Start by explaining the rules and procedures of the game. Then invite a few students to help you model the game for the rest of the class. When you're done modeling how to play the game, repeat the rules and procedures to the class. Invite the students to go as teams to their game board and wait for your instructions. When everyone is ready, direct the first few rounds of the game, with students following your instructions as they play. When students are ready, allow them to play independently. Before playing the guessware game, show and discuss the blue introduction slides and practice asking yes/no questions. The game in Story 1 is guessware. In this game, half of the team will secretly choose a card on the board to pretend to hide Gimbal behind. The other half of the team will ask yes and no questions to try to guess which card was selected. To model the game before the students play it, show a mission mat filled with cards placed face up. The cards can be placed in any order. They do not need to match the order on the grid key. Choose 2 students to select the card to hide Gimbal behind. Hand them the laminated grid key and a dry erase marker. Ask them to circle the card they select on the laminated grid key. Make sure the rest of the class doesn't see it. Do not write on the mission mats. Use the dry erase marker compatible grid key for this game. Invite the rest of the students in the class to ask yes or no questions to figure out which card was chosen. For each question answered, remove the cards that can be eliminated by the answer. For example, if the first question was, "Is there a tree on the card?" and the answer was, "Yes," all of the cards without trees would be removed from the mission mat. When you finish the game as a class, the students will play the game on their own in teams of 4 or 5. Review the gameplay rules and procedures before separating students into teams. Tell the students to work as a team to place all of the game cards face up on the mission mat with 1 card in each square when the mission mats for each team are set up. Invite the teams to pick the 2 teammates that will choose where to hide Gimbal, and instruct them to circle it on the grid key with a dry erase marker. Please do not write on the mission mats. Direct the first few rounds of play. When each team has selected 2 students and they have chosen where they want to hide Gimbal, prompt the remaining students to ask their first yes/no question, and then wait for your instructions. When each team has received an answer to their question, ask them to work together to find the cards that they can remove from the board based on the answer. Encourage the students to continue to play on their own. This step-by-step directed play will help students avoid confusion as they start playing the game independently as a team. Wrap up the day by cleaning up and discussing the questions on the last slide. Use the character icons on the cards and the card ID numbers to make sure all cards are returned to their